This is how to book a US appointment in 2025. As you all know, getting a US appointment can be extremely difficult, and this is why I'm making this video. So today's episode, I'll be guiding you through the step-by-step method on how to book a US appointment successfully and very fast. So just in case you've been struggling getting a very good date, now these are the few things you need to understand. Number one, you have to understand that timing is important and nobody knows the exact time. So this is why you have to be online virtually every time if you really need this appointment. So you have to keep checking at various, like, there's no definite time. You've seen it come out in the middle of the night, you've seen it very early in the morning, late in the evening, in the afternoon. But mostly you should expect it between morning and evening. But sometimes you see it come out in the middle of the night. So there's no specific time. Number two, you have to also understand the fact that having a very good internet is very important. Having a fast internet is the key to getting an earliest appointment date. Ensure that you have a reliable internet and you have a backup internet just in case one is not working. Browser is also another important thing. From experience, Google Chrome, Firefox works. Google Chrome is my number one. Firefox, sometimes it gives some kind of issues, but it also works. So these are some of the important things you also need to understand. So one thing you need to understand is this. Having a date would always help you. So whatever it is, once you log in, irrespective of the day that is available, just book that first. Once you book that first, you can now start looking for an earliest date. You also have to understand the fact that you have limited number of times you can actually reschedule. So if you have enough time to, search for the time, you don't have to pick a date. But if you don't have flexibility, pick any date available, then you can now start searching and hoping to get something good. So one thing you should also understand is this: it works for some people. You can also use VPN. Some people also claim they use VPN and it works for them. So I mean, I don't use this. If you are having issues, you can just try all these different approaches and hopefully you're going to get a date very soon.